On today's episode of whatever it is that I do, a guy's going to show you how to do body work with some good old-fashioned Bondo. Since I've never done this before, of course I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. And of course we're going to need our Bondo, so you're going to want to get yourself some of this body filler, and then the Bondo glass, some Bondo hardener, some rubber gloves, a sanding block. I got some 80 grit, 150 grit, and some 220 grit sandpaper. Little spready doodad pads. You're gonna need some isopropyl alcohol and one of these squirty bottles. Microfiber cloths, shop towels, undercoating, rust reformer, and some automotive primer. And I'm just going to show you how to do it up until finish sanding and paint matching, because I don't trust myself. So first thing we got to do is take off the chrome trim so we can sand it easier. Okay, now that we've got our 80 grit sandpaper, we're going to sand everywhere that there's rust, so basically an L shape right here. We're going to sand it back, changing the grit until we get to bare metal. So I used a screwdriver to, help speed the process up, and I was just scraping a whole bunch of rust out. And something that I've never seen before, it's filled with not fiberglass or not Bondo, not dirt, not whatever, but chunks of glass, which is really weird. There's like big chunks everywhere. So yeah, maybe we'll find diamonds. So as you can see here, I've been sanding away. We still got some more diamonds in here. But sanded it away, got it down to the clean metal. I still need to get these little bubbles of rust out. And then, after you sand each time, I'd wipe it down with some of this 140 proof moonshine. Cleans it right up. So you don't rub any of that gross stuff back into the paint and then just contaminate it. So keep it clean, keep sanding. So what I just found is Bondo, and it's rusted through, and there's a lot of crap. So this one looked like the easiest one. It's not going to be the easiest one. So we're in for a ride. So I got into more than I expected I would. We're going to turn this into a 3-part series. The first one being sanding and prep work. Second, probably fixing whatever I got myself into. Second, applying the Bondo. And then third, spraying it all up. But I'm sure this is going to get better, because that's just the second one of 4 that we're going to fix. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Write something that I should put on my gravestone down in the comments section, and pray for me.